Guys, today join me as I make original Nigerian groundnut. So what I do is I soak it in warm water with some salt for about 5 minutes, and then sieve it and put it on a tray. I line my tray with kitchen towel to help it dry a little bit, and when it's halfway dried, then you can pop it in your air fryer. Fry at 180 degrees temperature wise, and then for about 20 minutes. When it's halfway there, bring it out and give it a turn and put it back in to complete the 20 minutes. And when it's done, normally we bring it out, put it back on the tray, allow it to cool before taking the skin off. One way to know that your groundnut is ready is when the skin can easily come off. And look at that, it tasted amazing. Let me know what you enjoy yours with. We'll be having ours with groundnut or some bread or some gari. So gari, yeah, you know that. And it's amazing. It tasted really, really nice. Let me know if you like this recipe, if you're trying it. Thank you.